Hey, it's Vass here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Hyper Plus 2. So the truck is 100% stock. We're going to be trying it out on 4S first and then whack 6S in there and see what this thing can do. Alrighty, 4S pass. That's probably far enough. Here we go, Noah. Wait. How much, sorry? 55 on 4S. Here we go, thank you very much. Alright, let's go one more. $55 again. Thank you. I still haven't adjusted my brakes on this. Alright, let's see if we can beat that car real quick, Noah. $54 that time. Thank you. And our GPS, I can see it already, it says 55, so stock out of the box. That is what this guy is going to do, 55 kilometers an hour. Now let's go 6S. And here we go, 6S. Can we even keep this thing in a straight line? All right, that's probably far enough. Turn it around, Noah. Here we go, big boy. How much? 65. I couldn't really wind it up. You can see it wobbling all over the place. Thank you. We'll try again. This has a ton of power, but trying to keep that in a straight line is just really difficult. It's been one of the downfalls with these high center of gravity monster trucks from HoBao, and no different here by the looks of things. Here we go, Noah. Oh, it likes to pull to one side when I hammer the throttle a bit. Oh, oh. How much? 65 again. I cannot wind this up. Thanks. It just keeps getting out of shape, so I'm hoping the GPS can do a bit better than what I'm doing in front of the radar gun. Alright, I'm going out as far as I can here. Alright, clear behind, Noah? Just double check? Yeah. Okay. Alright, easing the power on, easing the power on. Here we go, here we go. How much? 72, and look at it wobble all over the place. There's no gyro in this. Brakes are way too strong, 72. Alright, let's see if our GPS has given us anything better. We'll have a quick look here. 74 on the GPS. Now, no doubt you can probably go a bit faster than this if you set it up, if you really try, but I mean, you know, this is not designed to go top speed. It's a big burly beast, and yeah, it just has a ton of power. It's good out on the BMX track, you know, the bash spot, rough terrain, that's where it really performs, and the power is there on tap. But out here for speed runs, yeah, she ain't gonna be super fast. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you again for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time.